Hello, today I'm going to show you how to set the temperature of your DeLonghi ESAM3200 Magnifica super fully automatic espresso machine coffee maker. Yeah, if you like hot coffee or a little bit of colder coffee, not so cold, but it's only a little bit colder, you can program this into the DeLonghi ESAM3000B. For doing this, you have push, as your appliance is off in standby mode, but the main switch is in position 1, of course. Press and hold this button, as you can see, for about 5 seconds. And this is the cup button until the light on the control panel coming on. Now the downside, as you can see, it is. Now press the 2 cup button to select the required temperature. This is the first LED is for low temperature. The second LED is for a little bit warmer temperature. The third is for hot coffee, and the fourth LED is for super hot extra monster, hot coffee. So then, if you finished it, press the cap button to confirm, and the lights will go off. Now your DeLonghi Magnifica is programmed. Again, hold and press the 1 cup button until the LEDs are on. And then you can set by using the 2 cup button, to set hot, low, high. From the left side it's low, to the right side it's high. And if you finished your setting, accept by pressing again the 1 cup button. Then the machine is ready to use. The machine is shutting off, of course, but the settings are stored inside the machine. And next time your coffee will be hot or not so hot. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.